Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. We're making a video to go over a subject that we're not proud to have to go over, but this world is a fallen world and there are plenty of people out there that will steal from you. And one thing that has become more common is people are stealing seats off motorcycles, taking out that one Phillips screw or maybe that thumb screw that you put in so that you could easily take your seat off. But now they're stealing your fancy seat and they're stealing your computer that's easily accessible right underneath it. On top of that, they're stealing whole side bags. So you hear about people's bags falling off while riding. Well, in this case, they're prying even a locked lid open and taking your whole bag. Your belongings, your amp, your speakers, whatever's in there with them when it goes. So Robert Becker Designs has come out with a great solution. I think it's a quality product. It looks great. And we're making this video to go over it and show you how easy it is to install and just to make you aware that it exists. So hang out as we go over it. We'll be installing it on a bike here at the end of the video. All right, so I want to go over a few of the options. Robert Becker was nice enough to send us this display so we could show you the available colors and the styles of the locks that we have to not only lock down your seat, but also lock on your bags. Most of the bag locks we're going to stock in black because they're hidden inside your bag, and most likely the inside of your bag is black already. So we've got 3 different year ranges of bag locks that we keep on volunteeraudio.com. It's in our motorcycle security and safety section. But if you go there, you'll see that they're by different year ranges. If you have a 17 or newer, you already have the twist-in style bag retainers. We have just a set of locks. If you have an older bike, let's just say it's a 14 to 17, actually it's 09 to 16, you're going to get the clips that also go in to get rid of that quarter turn and become a bolt-in lock for it as well. If we go back even older, we're going to have some really heavy-duty reinforcements that go in that they're going to thread into on your older bag style. This is available in a whole lot of different colors. These are all CNC machined. They're made out of aluminum. They're then coated to whatever color it is we want, so it looks good with your bike. But I want to go over how this works. So each one of these has a little keyhole in the end, and it's going to come with 2 keys. And if you decide you want to get a set of both bags and seat lock, let me know the color and we can get you a set that's keyed the same. So we're going to put our key in. See if I can find the right key. I've got 2 different ones here for this set. We're going to unlock it, which is going to make this little indentation, this little nipple comes out of the end of the lock. Now our actual cap is removable from our bolt. Now what's really ingenious about this design is that when you push this in, there's a little piece that is going to stick out that is going to lock into these little half circles on top of your bolt, and now it's going to allow you to untwist that bolt off. So the only tool you need to remove your bag is going to be your key, or your bag, or even your seat. So you use your key, unlock it, lock it back. Now this is the tool that not only takes it off, it also threads it back on, thread it back on to where it's tight. Take your key, unlock it. See if I can get the right key the first time this time. Probably not. All right, got it. Once I did that, it fell down where it's supposed to go. Push that in, and now we're locked, and this just twirls around, and it's no longer allowing that bolt to be accessible to take it out. And it's also free spinning, so there's no way to take this and twist that seat off. So it's a very ingenious design. It's very easy to use, and it's available in most of your really popular colors. One on the back side here that's very new, snake venom green. We also have red, we have gold, blues, blacks. All of the different colors are offered with both a black or chrome lock. So if you have an all black bike, you can do a black cap with a black lock. If you've got a black bike with chrome engine or chrome accessories, maybe you want a black cap with a chrome lock. So as you can see, they're very customizable. It's going to look very good on your seat. And because these do move very easily, once they're on your bike, let's say you've got a tour pack and you want to be able to access this from the side, go to the side, unlock it. If you want it facing toward the rear so it looks a little bit more stylish without a tour pack, you just flip it to that direction. Very easy to put on. Let's get a bike in here. I'll open one of these up, put it on a seat, and show you exactly how it works. All right, so I've pulled in this beautiful Roadglide. It's snake venom green, and I'm going to go through and show you how to install the lock both on the seat and on the bags. All right, come in close so I can show you. All right, so first step, all we're going to do is remove whatever type of screw, whether it be a thumb screw or a Phillips screw that's holding your seat on. Get in the bag that came with your lock. Get your new bolt out. You can hand start this in the hole. Bring it down somewhat snug. Next, you're going to take your lock. This is a snake venom green lock. And you're going to lock it. That's going to take that little lock cylinder is going to poke out. And now it's going to drop right into these half moons. So we're going to bring it down on it. We're going to spin it. As you see, we're just going to go half a turn. Take it off and go to the other side. We're going to do it again until we're tight. Bring it all the way around. That's pretty snug. All right. Now we're going to just take our key, unlock it. All right. I had the wrong one of these. Let's unlock the correct one here. I wanted to do the one with the chrome accent. All right. You'll see I've got this has come out. We're going to stick it down over this rod all the way down and push it in. At this point, we're locked. Our seat can't be stolen. Our bolt can't be easily removed. And I think it looks really good on this green. Other options would have been you could have went with a black lock as you've seen on the other green one we have here. You could also go maybe a black lock with a chrome or a black cap with chrome or all black or all chrome. So many options even on this green bike. And I wanted to see just how easy it is to put on because the only tool needed is your key because the tool is the cap itself. You'll get 2 keys, and again, if you want to get a set of bag locks and a seat lock, if you'll let us know, we can get them with the same key for you for all of the locks. All right, now let's open up the bag and show you how to put one in there. All right, so now we're inside of our bag. Now when you get bag locks, it's only going to come with 2 because you really only need to put one on each side. There's no need to replace both of them. If you do want to replace both, just order 2 sets. But here's what we're going to do. We're going to remove our bolt that is holding our bag on now. Take it out. Inside the package, you're going to get 2 of these bolts. Start that in. These also, as you're going in, you'll see there's little grooves it locks into. So this is not going to vibrate loose. You're not going to have to recheck it before each ride. Now I've got my cap. I've got it in the lock position. So that little part inside there is going to line up with these half moons. And it's going to allow me to use that to tighten it on down tighter. So we're going to go till it's good and tight. Once it's tight, all you're going to do is unlock it. You'll know it's unlocked because this little nipple is sticking out the end of the lock. Stick it over and just push that in. At that point, we're locked. You can't get the bolt undone and nobody can now steal this bag. So very, very easy. Pivots right to the top for access to unlock it. So simple, such a good idea. So one thing about Robert Becker and his company, he's a veteran. Also completely makes these in the U.S. So none of this is sourced from overseas, and it's made right here in the good U.S. of A. So I like to support American companies. I love to support veterans. I think this is a great product to put on your bike and hopefully keep you from losing a lot of money to a thief in the future. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Share this with your friends. If you have questions, comment below. Again, go to volunteeraudio.com, go to our motorcycle section. At that point, go to safety and security, and you'll see all of these various options are in stock and listed there right on the site. Comment below with any questions you have. Maybe we'll make a follow-up video if there's something we didn't cover. But as always, God bless and thank you. Have a great day.